Would request media to
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Namaskar. Guys, come on, sit down. Sit down. Please sit down. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone here. Sit down, sit down. Where are you gone, Himanshu? Where are you? Where are you traveling?
So, sir, I think you've seen our mad family of Poco.
You know, I was behind the stage. After every 30 seconds, आवाज आती थी, yay! I think that's the spirit. That's the spirit we are looking forward for. Woo! Okay, let's go for a whistle. Okay.
So, sir, I think mad, welcome to our family. We have seen your trailer also for the new film Skyforce, and you know Poco is basically performance and power. So, how do you like to basically see Poco as compared to when we have joined forces with you guys?
So, देखिए हम सब जब भी नए साल की शुरुआत करते हैं, मैं हिंदी में बोलूं चलेगा ना?
सर चलेगा.
हम सब जब भी नए साल की शुरुआत करते हैं कुछ नया करना चाहते हैं. बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होती है हम सब में और वो एक्साइटमेंट मुझ में भी है. स्काई फोर्स it's a film that is so special to me, and starting a new association with Poco at the same time. So नए साल की इस अच्छी शुरुआत मैं क्यों ना करूं? Nothing is better than this. Here is Skyforce, my movie, which is very dear to me. And here is Poco, a new thing, a new arrival from my side to this family of Poco, to these people here. Okay? So ये नई शुरुआत है. I hope it continues for a longer period.
Yeah. So, Akshay sir, we have launched two phones today, Poco X7 and Poco X7 Pro, and दोनों पावर और परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जाने जाते हैं और आप भी पावर और परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जाने जाते हैं. So, क्या कहना चाहेंगे कोलैबोरेशन ऑफ जो हमने न्यूली डिवाइस.
मेरे लिए पावर का मतलब इंटरनल होता है. I know सबको बड़े बड़े स्ट्रक्चर्स, सुपर स्पोर्ट्स कार्स, बड़ी बड़ी मसल्स देखने में अच्छा लगता है, बट इन सब के पीछे होती है इनकी फाउंडेशन. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई मस्ट टेल यू इज द फाउंडेशन. इनका कोर, इनकी इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ. इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ फोन, जो हमारा पोको फोन, अगर इसका प्रोसेसर, इसका कोर स्ट्रांग और पावरफुल नहीं होगा तो आप इसमें कितना भी कुछ गिमिक डाल लीजिए, ये कितनी भी कोई अच्छी बॉडी बना लीजिए उस फोन की, अगर वो कोर या उसका इंटरनल थिंग प्रॉपर नहीं होगा तो कोई परफॉर्मेंस नहीं निकलेगी. सिर्फ क्या निकलेगा? धुआं ही निकलेगा.
So, sir, we have a huge community base, and I think more than 500 members today in this hall. And I think live streaming, we have crossed 3 lakh views just because you were coming. तो हमारी लाइव ऑडियंस के लिए और हमारी पोको फैंस के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जो भी मैं आज हूँ, आज मेरे फैंस की बदौलत से हूँ. So, thank you very much. And it is great to be surrounded by such a mad bunch of young and passionate fan base of Poco. मुझे ज़्यादा बड़ा भाषण देने की मैं नहीं चाहता कि मैं कोई बड़ा भाषण दूं, बट बस यही कहना चाहूँगा, in life just keep trying and be at it. For anything you chase in life, just keep on going on. That will put you where you want to go, where you have dreamt of. And now bas bhashan khatam. Now we are waiting for something. You all guys are the prize of X7 series. Himanshu ji, why don't you end this suspense forever? What is going to be the prize of X7 Poco?
Yeah. So, sir, we have launched 2 devices today. One is Poco X7 Pro, which has Dimensity, very powerful Dimensity 8400 Ultra, and a biggest battery in this segment, 90-watt fast charging. First time we are introducing HyperOS 2.0. So we have basically checked all marks when we launched it, Poco X7 Pro. And Poco X7, I think this is the most durable 3D curved display device in the segment with IP69 rating, Victus 2 protection, and Sony camera in this segment. I think, sir, these 2 devices represents actually you. Power, performance, and
Are you trying
action.
to say इसके ऊपर से अगर मोटरसाइकिल निकल जाएगी कुछ नहीं होगा?
कुछ नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं
You
होगा.
want to try?
We can try. So, coming to the price, most important thing जिसके लिए हम वेट कर रहे हैं सबके लिए. So, right, everyone wants to know the price of Poco X7 Pro and Poco X7, right? First of all, we will start with Poco X7 Pro. So Poco X7 Pro will be available on sale 14th Jan, 12 noon on Flipkart. We are launching in 2 variants, 8-256 and 12-256. And you know the crazy price of 8-256 variant for X7 Pro, such a powerful device? This is 24,999. And we have 12/256.
Okay, दूसरी price सुन लो. What's the second price? Go ahead.
So for 12/256 variant, our net effective price is 26,999. So sir, this includes 2,000 rupees of ICICI Bank offer or product 2,000 rupees of product exchange and special 1,000 rupees coupon, especially for Akshay sir and especially for the very first sale date only.
Okay, हिमांशु जी एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ. I don't know कितने जन पूछना चाहेंगे. Why is it 24,999 रुपए? इससे अच्छा 25,000 कर देते. वो 1 रुपए क्या है? ये आज तक मेरी समझ में नहीं आता है. 26,999. ये किसी की समझ में आता है 1 रुपया क्या होता है? हाँ, मजू जी इस पे रोशनी डालेंगे आप?
So sir,
लेकिन क्या है, सुनने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. 24,999.
24,999 और 25,000 में डिफरेंस.
25,000 का डिफरेंस. लेकिन खैर, that's really a good price. What kind of things we have it on this?
So we have another device that is Poco X7.
Okay, that another one.
Yeah, that is also going live on sale on 17th Jan, 12 noon. It is also coming in 2 variants, 8-128 and 8-256. And the crazy price of 828 variant is 9,999. And then A256GB variant is 21,999. So these prices are net effective of 2,000 rupees of ICICI Bank offer and 2,000 rupees of product exchange. So here do we have the dual POCO X7 5G and POCO X7 Pro 5G. So POCO X7 Pro 5G is available on 14th January 12 noon on Flipkart at a net effective price of 24,999 and 26,999. POCO X7 5G, the most durable curved display device in the segment, will be available on sale on 17th Jan 12 noon on Flipkart at 19,999 and 21,999.